Good morning, Osaka. So, we're on our day 3. Pupunta kami ng Tennoji. So, some parts siguro yung Abeno sa Rojas, let's see, or the zoo. But before that, we're going to have breakfast first. We're preparing. We'll go down. So, in a bit, we'll see you again. So, thank you. Good morning. So yung video kanina, yung mga pagkain, one tip in Japan, so go find those, or this, Aeon, it's called Aeon Food Style. So So this is like a supermarket, no? Ang daming pagkain nakita nyo, no? And the key is, kung gusto nyo makatipid, kasi syempre di ba by 7 o'clock midnight, sinisale nila yung pagkain dyan, no? So makikita nyo dun yung markdown sometimes 50%, ganun 30, 20, no? Up to 70%. So 7 p.m. up, no? If you go to these stores, kita nyo buffet talaga yan. Yung mga hindi nabili for the day, they'll try to really alam mo yun, get that or sold it, no? So yung mga ganyan, Aeon food style. Okay, so that's tip number 2. Sure ko nakikita nyo pero here we are. Pakita ko kayo pakita ko sa inyo yung ayun na, there's my mom and dad right here. So picture kayo dyan, picture tayo. Ayan, sige. Go in the middle. Hey. Oh look, the guy's waving at you.
Look, the Metro Man arms wave.
Yeah. Ano pa ganun? Akin na. Pipicture lang ko kayo.
Biker.
So here's the area. Ayan merong mga soft serve, no, in that guy right there. Nakikita nyo? Anong ewan ko ang tawag dyan But yeah, later. 10 yen, 100 yen. Picture na kayo. Sige, picture muna sila kung may phone nila. Maakin na yung phone mo. So ayan na yun, mga famous landmarks, no? Then we'll just go around this part. Tapos pag medyo malilim-lilim na, pupunta tayo ng Tennoji.
The guy who's waiting.
This pumpkin. What else? They tempurified everything, right?
Squid shiso waiting.
Yam.
Sardine shiso waiting.
There's eggplant. Look.
Pork, beef, chicken breast, sumai, sauce.
Alam mo, dapat umiinom tayo niyan
Wait. Okay. One, two, go. Smile, guys. Smile. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Migo, come here. Come here, Migo. Umikot tayo dito, inaalala nyo. Maya, teka. Tara! Eva. Eva. Yeah. Nasa si Ma pumasok? Go.
They use that
So, ayan. Shinsekai area. Marami mga tax-free shops, no? And yan, souvenir shops. So, ito yung isang stretch ng there. Yung mga kinakainan natin, no? Street foods, takoyaki. Tsaka yung tag nung anak ko dun sa ano ba yun? They fried everything. Sabi niya ganun. To eggplant, lahat ng vegetables. So, yun yung uso dito sa Osaka. No? So, here's the tower. Hindi na kami akit yan. Nakapunta na kami dyan before. But, it's very high. No, it's like, at some point, yun yung pinakamataas dito sa Osaka. Siguro sometime after the war. Then, ngayon, there's some attractions, no? I think merong bungee jumping dyan, kung nakikita nyo doon sa taas. Or not bungee jumping, but yung slide. No, merong slide dyan somewhere. Merong ano dyan yung mataas na slide. Tapos, some attraction. So, we've been there like less than 10 years ago. Hindi ko na mabilang, but mga 9 ganon. But ngayon medyo nag-iba na. Mas marami ng tao, mas maraming tourist, and I think ganyan, kasi luma na yung tower, no? But there, Shinsekai. So, we're heading somewhere, but we still don't know, no? But yung mga takoyaki siguro, go ahead and try. Kasi yan yung mga talagang sikat dito. So, since tanghali ngayon, syempre, hindi ako basta pwedeng uminom, no? Though I'm tempted to go, diba? And eat and drink. No, that's what you do. So, Asahi, then yun nga yung skewered na, or yung sabi ng anak ko, tempurified vegetable. No, so there. Ito yung isang tax-free shop. No, so pagka pumunta ka dyan, parang yung Don Quixote rin yung style. Tapos dito mayroong mga gachapon. So, a must in Japan. Kaya lang talagang ubos pera din dyan Oh, dito. This is nice. Mga camera yung Libre oh. Galing ah. Nice. So yeah, that's the tower. Something to, yung as far as I can remember, no, parang radio station siya nung after the war nga. Then, ito na yung pinaka-iconic na place. Well, likewise, parang Eiffel Tower. No? So, what's upstairs? Ano ba yung, paano ko ba ma-describe yun? Kasi more of ano siya, no? Marami siyang mga antiques na toy. Mga antique na toys and stuff. No? Meron ako nakita dyan yung mga lumang Astro Boy, yung mga lumang Gundam. Oh, no, not Gundam, but that other, not Voltes 5 eh, parang Daimos, ganun. So, there, that's part of Shinsekai, and dito lang, no, somewhere around the area, nandyan yung mga every canto, nandyan yung mga stalls, no, as mentioned. So, let's have fun. Ito yung sa Shinsekai, yung mga izakaya na merong ito yung mga skewers na sinasabi ko kanina. So, I'm trying one. We have the Lotus. Ito gusto pala yung Lotus root. Ito I tried kanina may eggplant to. This one's eggplant. Tapos yung sa fish. Ganun din sa kanila fish. I think the rule is pagka dinip mo siya na hindi mo na pwedeng balik. Hygienic purposes, and of course it's always paired with beer. Okay, so cheers. So tapos na kami kumain dun sa yung mga skewers. No, we're just walking towards Abenos Haruka or Abeno Haruka's 300 ba yun? 3,200, I don't know. No, but it's just walking distance from Shinsekai, diba? So hindi masyado malayo. I think we're going to ride the train. It's just one station away. So it's right in front of us, ayan. No? So, taas siya, no? So, kita nyo yung mataas, no? Oh, sorry. Let me do this. Yan. Para kita lalo. Yan. No? So, that's the place. So, yung building niya, I think at some point, ayan yung highest or tallest building dito sa Japan. No? Parang it got beat by some other building around the 2003 or 2004. No? But meron ding observatory dyan sa taas. But we'll see. No, I don't know kung makakakit kami. Baka marami na naman tao. No? Kagaya nung dun sa Umeda Sky building. No? Okada ba lagi sinasabi ko? Sorry naman. So, itong katabi niya, I think this is another hotel. I'm not sure which hotel, pero mukhang marami rin mga hotel dito around this area kasi itong Tennoji area, di ba, malapit dun sa Shinsekai. So, maybe, no? Hindi ko sure, ha? Huwag nyo ko ikot. But, ayan. Let's see what's inside, okay? Oh, ganda, oh. Meron din sila dito nung rotondang bilog. Parang isa Shanghai. Dito. Maybe dito. So, we came from that part, yun yung may train, Bandaron, to all the way here. Nilakad namin yan. So, ayun yung sinasabi ko, no? Not sure kung nakikita niyo yung Don Quixote. So, Don Quixote, tapos meron din dun. So, just very, very close to each other. No? So, ganda. Nice structure. So, rotondang overpass kung tawagin. Na pilit ginagaya sa Pilipinas, pero ang pangit. No? Sorry, but pangit eh. What do we do? Diba? Tapos may mga nakalagay, MMDA. No? So, hindi mo alam kung aakyat ka ba? Kasi ang nipis. Pag akyat mo sa taas, ma-hold up ka. Hindi mo alam yung kapalaran mo. No? So, might as well tawid ka na lang. No? At least, kontrolado mo yung buhay mo. Kawawa naman Pilipinas. Huwag naman. No? But, a sign of protest. Alam ko, galit yung mga kababayan natin. Wear white every Saturday and Sunday. No? Ikulong ang mga magnanakaw. Oh, ito na. Going to Harukas. 300. Oh, 300 naman pala. Hindi 3,000,000. Okay. So, ito yung surrounding the rotonda. Tama ba yan? Surrounding the rotonda. Pero, parang dati hindi ko maalalang meron na nito. Pero, there you are. Merong Mio, Tennoji, Abeno, Harukas. Merong Abeno, Akebono. Tapos yun, no, Abeno, Q's Town. No? So, ganda. It's nice here. Sige. Hi, so it's evening. Dito kami sa tapat ng, ayan, the famous Yodobashi Yodobashi Umeda, right? So, right. So right here, there's Ishii Sport. There's an ABC Mart. So it's multiple malls around. So may nagpa-picture. There's the Hep 5 if you recall, yung Ferris wheel, ayun oh, red. So somewhere around here, nandito yung Ritz-Carlton, somewhere probably, no, this side. Nandito sa kabila, yung Ritz-Carlton, where we are staying. So right now, meron niya karaoke place. There's a Mega Don Quixote somewhere here. So we're not going there, pero we're going to this park. Okay na? So here, this is the famous Umeda station. Or sorry, Osaka station. So ganyan siya kalaki. Napakalaki, sorry. You guys need to see. So parang Umeda Sky. Tanawin lang natin dito. Pero there's like the iconic Osaka station. No? Sikat to, parang Grand Central Station nila to dito. So there, oh, Yodobashi Hotel. That's the, ayun yung ano, Umeda Sky. That's the Umeda Sky building. Umeda Sky building from afar. So we walked there the other day. Where's Ma'am and Migo? So, ganda no? It's nice here. If you wish to see Umeda more. But till next time, doon kami sa bandang Dotondori. Pero bukas, naglaan yata kami dito gawa ng pupunta kami ng, well, not tomorrow, but when we go to Universal Studios. So, here you go. Going down to the basement. Here you go.